We're going to be looking at The Boy in the Striped Pajamas today, and we're going to be examining the video at the same time as working with a note-taking system. And that note-taking system is called the Cornell note-taking system. And what it asks you to do is to take a sheet of paper and divide it as the measurements indicate, where you have a column on one side, you have a row across the top, and then at the top where the number 6 is indicated, you would give it a title, and over to the left column where it says the Q column, you would leave that blank to record important information. On the other lined papers where the information is typed out, the 5 points, record, questions, recite, reflect, and review, you are taking the notes and the details from whatever it is that you're watching, which in this particular case is the video, The Boy in the Striped Pajamas. So what are you doing? Well, during the presentation of the work, you're recording the information, recording the lecture. You are in that note-taking area using very short sentences to describe what it is that you're seeing. You are also indicating what questions that you have in mind. So what questions about the story are prompted by the video? You can ask those in the column that is indicated. How does it help to clarify your understanding of the story? What questions have you got about where the story might go? Those kinds of predictions can be framed in a question. So those would go into that area too. Then there is the recitation or the recite portion, where this is something that you're going to be doing as you are working individually. You're going to be asking the questions to yourself. You're going to be saying the notes aloud to yourself, having covered it up so that you are internalizing it and you are using a different set of senses, in this particular case speaking rather than the action of writing. Also, you are reflecting upon what you're seeing. So you're asking yourselves, what is the significance of this? And although we've read this book already, and I know that you know the greater significance, you still want to be asking those bigger questions, those bigger reflections. What would happen if? What would have happened if? Is this something that is particular only to the book that we are reading, which of course we know from our genocide projects that it is not, and so you are asking some bigger, broader questions. And then at the end, you are looking to review the information. And this is a very useful skill, this Cornell note-taking system, which of course is a university, and it's a recommended method of taking notes. So at the very bottom, you will be using this area for the summarizing and the review of information on your own. So you've got on the left-hand column where these cues are, the big ideas. So the big ideas that are coming into play about the book, about the video that you're watching, and generally speaking you're looking at only between 3 and 5 big ideas. The rest are all details, and you put the details in, and then you can help internalize that and summarize it at the end. And you do that with the information or with the space that is provided at the bottom of the sheet. And so we are going to be looking to examine the novel and get a deeper understanding of the book by watching the video, but at the same time taking down notes that you are responsible for, that help you better understand both the video and the book that you have already read. So good luck, and let's have fun with this.